Streamline shoppers, I just pulled this off my sewing table so I can give you a full review of this Singer Sew It Goes portable sewing box. Now this is just about everything you need for home sewing. Now it's definitely too big to just throw it in your bag and take it with you on the road, although you could, but this is what I use to organize all my stuff at home for sewing project. Pick it up by the handle, and I've got everything organized right here at my fingertips. Now there are some things in here that don't come in the box, but I'll point those out to you, but I figured I'd leave them in because it'll definitely show you how much I can fit in here. I love this great clear face. Lots of light can come through here. You can even get a little bit of light in on the sides, as you can see. When you pick it up, it's nice and sturdy. The latch for it is actually right down here. Something I loved about this, and the reason why I bought it originally, was it had all these drawers in here that was going to give me storage space. It's one thing to have all this thread, but look at how beautifully it's organized in here. You open it up with a latch right down here. You pull this, and then this little handle comes up. Now this actually helps to keep these drawers closed, so when this is locked in place, you can actually go like this and nothing comes out. You have 18 different spools of sewing machine thread. Each of these spools of thread here has 150 yards of thread on a spool. Now here are the drawers, and this is where all the great stuff is. In here, I have put my magnetic pin cushion. This pin cushion comes with it, this one doesn't. I've put in a few sets of scissors. Now both of these do not come with, but look at how great it is that that drawer actually fits everything. On this second drawer, I have some really cool features in here. Now this second drawer is split up to organize, and you can even flip it over like this because it has this really great latch and flap to keep everything from falling out. This has the original stuff that came in the sewing kit. You've got sewing pins, you've got thimbles, you've got needle threaders, you've got an assortment of 30 different needles in this great little disc. Flip it around the other way. Up buttons. You also have a variety of different clasps and snap closures and hook and eyes for doing projects on sewing and things like that. And lots of space in here to add other things for the projects you're working on. This is a drawer that slides out. There are 24 hand sewing spools of thread in here, and each one of these ones has 25 yards. A greater variety of colors here than you do here, although some of them do coordinate. But the hand sewing threads actually have more color variety in here than they do up top. And another really cool feature, which you may have noticed, whether it's on the top or it's on the side here in the smaller drawer, is all the spool holders. There's these little pegs that you can fit your thread onto. There is another one of those spin out drawers here as well. Now, this is one of the things that came with the kit. These scissors came with the kit. Also a really great 5-foot measuring tape. Really nice high quality vinylized measuring tape that you can wipe off. And a stitch ripper. I also have a few other tools of the trade in here, but you definitely get the scissors and the measuring tape in here. I'll close that up. And then your top shelf here, you have access for others. I've even been able to fit a bobbin case in here, and I have another one of my magnetic. Once you close it, you close the lid, you close the latch here, give it a little snap, it's in place. Everything is securely held inside this great little box, and lots of space to customize exactly what you like. In here, just a quick review, 18 of these big spools of thread, 24 of these small spools of thread. You get fabric scissors, you get hand needles, you get a 60-inch or 5-foot tape measure, you get a pin cushion with an emery as well. You get dressmaker's pins, 3 needle threaders, you also get 3 thimbles, a seam ripper, buttons, safety pins, and a bunch of fasteners. And of course, all this drawer space to organize your stuff. This is definitely a family favorite at my house.